Hello. Are you looking to apply for an art grant? If so, this course is for you. In 17 chapters, we'll cover everything you need to know on how to build successful applications for grants. I'll show you how to write a strong project proposal, which key questions your proposal should answer, how to choose the right grants and increase your chances, how the jury review process works, how the jury selects the projects, how to draft a clear budget plan and build a project timeline, how to visually present your project, and how to make the layout of your application stand out. In order to build the most comprehensive course possible, we've spoken to many jury members, funders, artists, writers, and curators. Based on our findings from these discussions, we developed this online course, which is organized as a step-by-step guide. I'm Jordy Etkin, an artist based in Los Angeles. Throughout my career, I've held residencies at the Skowhegan School of Painting and Sculpture, MacDowell, the Lighthouse Works, Vermont Studio Center, and the Yale Norfolk School of Art. My time at these residencies was supported by various grants and fellowships, as have been many of my other projects. I'll take you through this course, which will give you all the tools you need to build strong applications for grants.